Understanding, in over their head. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, in over their head. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English conversations. Let's get started and explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. The phrase, in over their head, is used to describe a situation where someone is out of their depth or dealing with more than they can handle. It originates from the literal idea of being submerged in water deeper than your height, suggesting a struggle or inability to keep afloat. In metaphorical terms, it means someone has taken on tasks or responsibilities that are too challenging for them, leading to a feeling of being overwhelmed. Using in over their head correctly involves recognizing situations where someone is struggling with their responsibilities or facing challenges that surpass their current capabilities. It can be used in various contexts, such as work, relationships, or any scenario requiring skill, knowledge, or emotional strength. In work, he realized he was in over his head when he couldn't meet the project's deadlines despite working overtime. In relationships, she felt in over her head trying to mediate her friend's argument without making things worse. Personal challenges. I was in over my head when I signed up for the advanced class without mastering the basics. Acknowledging you're in over your head can be tough, but it's a crucial step toward finding solutions. Here are some tips. 1. Be honest. Communicate your feelings and limitations to those involved, whether it's a boss, teacher, or friend. 2. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to seek assistance. It's better to address the issue early than to let it escalate. 3. Set boundaries. Understand your limits and try to set realistic boundaries for what you can take on. Feeling in over your head is a common experience, but recognizing and addressing it is key to growth and learning. Whether it's at work, in personal relationships, or facing new challenges, understanding your limits can help you navigate complex situations more effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive English phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, it's okay to admit when things are too much. It's the first step to overcoming obstacles. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.